He does everything on there, right? Okay, so before we get started on the tangent lines to a curve, let's review just making the equation of a line. So let's say I know the slope is 2 and it passes through the point -1, 5. How do you make an equation?
Well, you said x equals to 0. No. You said y equals 0. No. You said x equals
Just
0.
an equation of a line. You're making this way too complicated.
You find the y-intercept.
If you want, I just demonstrated the very reason of my being is the and delta math on the right before. But it's very straightforward. That was really sweet. Okay, so what is the derivative? And it's just 0. Just yet. Awesome. Okay, what says fine. So if I want an equation, I need the slope, but I also need a point, right? Now, I have an x value for that point. But what is the y value of that point? So this is where people get mixed up.
Whatever the y value of the initial function.
We plug it into the original, not the derivative. The derivative gives us slope. Okay?
So that's 64 minus 4.
The original would be plug in 4 to the original equation. 64 minus 48,
16.
which is plus, and then plus 4, so that'll be 20. Is it?
20.
Yeah.
Don't let me write this down if you're not sure. 64 minus 48 is 16, plus 4 is 20. Okay, gotcha. Math class is hard. Okay, so now we have to write the equation of a line. Now, again, if you can remember this, then literally on your assignment on Delta Math, it's just going to be y minus 20 equals 36 times x minus 4. And you can actually leave it like that. I can simplify it if I really want to. Oh crap, 36.
36 times 4.
Is it 144? Thank you.
Oh, thank God.
Right. And then add 20, so I get 36x minus 124. All right, did y'all do it the other way? So if you want y equals mx plus b, so 20 equals 36 times x equal, or plus b, so 20 equals 144 plus b, so b equals negative 124. There you go. So you can write y equals 36x minus 124. Either way. So you can write it like this, or you can write it like that. It doesn't matter. I definitely did less work by putting it in this form and just leaving it like that. Anyway, so to get your slope, you found the value of the derivative at that x value. Okay, we plugged in 4. But to get the point, which is on the original equation, you've got to plug that 4 into the original equation. Really, this whole sitch today of tangent lines is quite easy, but it is easy to get things like mixed up. You see what I'm saying? You just have to keep your head straight. And then the math involved is really not that bad, right? And And before we go to lunch, I'd like to talk real quick about something else. First off, today we're just talking about tangent lines. And the slope of the tangent line is given by the value of the derivative at a certain value.
Normal line is like really easy to find once you find this stuff.
What's normal mean?
It's perpendicular.
Perpendicular, very good. Normal means perpendicular. So do you all remember back in Algebra 1 doing the equation of the line perpendicular to something? What would you change about this?
36 is the negative one.
Very good. It would be negative 1 over 36. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
The opposite reciprocal. Opposite reciprocal slope. But again, that's just rare that's rare that you would be asked for the equation of the normal line. Most of the time, all we care about is the tangent line, the one that's flowing with the graph as it goes. So, now, let's look at this one. Find the point, by the way, that is the exact same equation, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Find the point on the graph where the tangent line is horizontal. I can't talk today.
So you're going to want to find the zeros of the derivative.
Very good. That means that the slope is equal to 0. Okay, what were you going to ask, Aiden? Oh, is that? Okay, so what we're going to do is take the derivative, and you said that was 3t squared minus 12.
Yes.
And we would set that equal to, we are not plugging in 0, okay, because the x value where it's horizontal probably is not 0. I want to know where this guy equals 0. It's the daily parade of fools, right? So sometimes these are hard to solve, sometimes they're easy. You may have to factor, but on this one, 3t squared equals 12, so t squared equals 4. So t equals what?
Plus or minus 2.
Okay, so you all have to remember that there are two values that would work here. Now, what that graphically means is that for a cubit, there are probably two places where the slope equals 0. Does that make sense? So it would be positive or negative 2. However, this is not asking for the x values or the t values. It's asking for the points. And so, what do we do?
Negative 220.
Where did you plug them in?
To the regular graph.
To the original function. Yeah.
Negative 220 and
I'm going to do that real quick. Y'all can go ahead and go to lunch.
negative 12.
8 minus
I already plugged it
24.
in for you.
This is negative 12.
That's negative 12 and the other one is 20.
Masks? Yeah. And then, sorry, I'm recording. Give this to her. Or, yeah, her that. And then this one's 20. Is that what you said? Negative 2. Negative 8 plus 24. Yeah, that is 20. Okay, and we'll do these others when we get back.